Hi, I'm Seng. So today we'll introduce the FeedMe Self-Ordering Kiosk. So for this device, it's around 22 inch. The height is around 160 cm. Okay, it's integrated with the built-in printer. If you want to change the thermal paper, use the sharp thing, and there's a button up here. You push it, then you can open like this. Pull it down. You can change the paper.
Please close the cover.
So it shows the notification at here. So just change the paper as usual. Then click on it. Just close the cover. So log into your FeedMe portal. Then go to setting and go to settings. After that, under here device management, there's a kiosk. So from here, just buy license as usual, that how you buy your main license. Then go to setting. So you can select your restaurant. Let's say I select the cafe. Then you can turn on for the dine-in and you can insert the instructions. Or you can display the stand, which is allowed to customer to key in the stand number. So in here I can put maybe the pen digit for 3 digit. Then for the table service number I can put up to 100. Then you also can set the submit order instruction, means ask customer to collect the slip and pay the cashier. Then you also can set for the takeaway, set as a setting above. Then you can decide whether you want to show the menu item, is it shows not available or not. You also can ask the customer to fit in how many packs they are coming together. Maybe they come in 3, then they need to fit in 3. So for the payment method, you need to have the integration with the payment gateway and apply for the pay account. After that, just click update setting. So I'll show you the ordering process. So first, as a customer, you can click here to log in member and order. So they can enter their phone number if they joined the member before. Or they can click here, start ordering as guest. So you can choose either the dine-in or takeaway. If you take over, just order as usual. But if you order as a dine-in, then if you click on table service, then you require to fill in the table number. Let's say the table number is table 3. So I click 3, just click next. Then in here, you can select based on the category and the item. For the ordering process, it's almost same as how you order in McDonald's. So click on the item, just click next only. Add to cart. If you want to cancel it, from here you can edit the quantity amount. Then just click confirm my order. Then there's a two-way. Either you can click do it now QR, which is allow your customer use their apps to scan the QR code, or another way, which is the e-wallet. So just click here and customer need to open their e-wallet apps, show the QR code, and let it scan at here. Then you print the receipt. And then at the main counter, it shows the order, which is the table 3. If you have ready the mushroom soup and serve to the customer, just click serve all and close bill. Just click confirm. Then settle already. Then the table 3 order will be disappeared. So that's all for today. Thank you.
Cari POS yourself, cari!